For many of you out there, Sunday can't get here fast enough. For this Sunday, the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus will be introduced during the manufacturer's Unpacked event in Barcelona. It's hard to believe that a year has gone by since Samsung, ditching tradition, showed up at the 2017 MWC trade show without a new flagship to introduce. Instead, the company showed off the Samsung Galaxy S8's new Infinity display with the help of a video. Unlike last year, when the LG G6 kicked off the 2017 flagship smartphone season at MWC, this year Sammy will be first. A tweet disseminated today by tipster extraordinaire Evan Blass reveals the pricing for the Galaxy S9/S9 Plus in euros. Blass says that the Galaxy S9 will cost €841, $1,037 USD at current exchange rates. The Galaxy S9 Plus, which carries a larger screen and a dual camera setup in back, will be priced at €997, $1,230 USD. Do not make the mistake of thinking that the dollar figures constitute the stateside pricing for the two handsets. These figures are based solely on current exchange rates. They are shown to give you an idea about how cheap or dear the pricing is for the two phones in euros. Among the new features rumored to be included with the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus are stereo speakers, enhanced facial recognition that combines an iris scanner with face unlocking, and a rear camera with a variable aperture of f/1.5 f/2.4. In addition, the fingerprint scanner has been moved underneath the camera module, making it easier for users to find the biometric scanner by feel. Source at F-Leaks, Phone Arena.